Okay, so today we're going to learn how to change the oil in this weed eater Briggs & Stratton 500 series, 158cc, and it is a 22-inch blade. Through all that dirty nastiness. So, how you change the oil is you get your 1 quart left of 5W30, and then we're going to go underneath with our handy dandy 3/8 drive Pittsburgh ratchet, and then we're going to loosen that guy, drain plug, and then we're going to evacuate the old oil and put the new stuff in. And make sure whenever you do this, your lawnmower set up nice and safe like this, so that way there's no possible way any wind or accidentally bumping into it was going to cause it to fall and cause a ruckus. Because this is totally safe, as you can see, right? There's no possible way anything bad could happen because this is very secure on this chair and table. All right, now that we're in position where it's totally safe, I'm gonna go ahead and back this dude out of here and catch our oil with what we assume is going to be a big enough container. Oh yeah, get all that. Alright, now we got our nice black as the ace of spades oil out. I'll go ahead and wash up and we'll be right back. Okay, so after you clean up and you take your nasty old used oil, you want to make sure you always recycle this stuff and put it, in a safe place. Preferably exactly where the oil came from, which is in the ground, because on this channel we are all environmentally friendly. So once you get that taken care of, you're ready to add more oil back to the lawnmower. All right, and with the lawnmower back on the ground, the drain plug back in, don't forget to put that back in, and torque to good and tight. And then we need to add some oil. I believe this takes like 24 fluid ounces, which converts to like 0.75 quarts. So in the interest of not overfilling it at first, we will put about a half quart in. And then check the level and add as necessary. About a half quart. That's with nothing on it, assuming you can see that. Put it in, turn tight. Oh my. why, according to this, half a quart isn't enough. It looks like now that it's settled, we need to add some. So let's do that. I say, another 0.25 quarts is needed. There we go. That should do her. And the main reason you don't want to overfill these is you don't want the piston going down and smacking into the oil, foaming it up, and otherwise causing a ruckus. Oh yeah, there we go. Perfect now. Perfect now, brah. Look at that. Fucking perfect. Right there on the full. So, that's how you change the oil in your lawnmower. Specifically the Weed Eater powered by Briggs & Stratton 500 series, 158cc. 22-inch. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace. And, yes, this was kind of a joke little video. I figured I'd spice things up a little. So, if you liked it, great. And if not, well, that's fine. I don't care anyway.